Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this exhibition stall over here. So we'll be continuing it. So very first of all, let's again go over here. Let's take a box over here. Let's just create a box. So I'll slightly just push it over here in this way. So convert to editable poly. So select these edges. So very first of all, I'll go into this. I'll give two connects over here. After that, so I'll go over here. I'll put one connect. Again, I'll select this. So select this polygons. And slightly give a bit of inset. And let's extrude it a bit inside. Let's click OK. So if you want, I can slightly shuffle this a bit down. So let's again go over here. Let's go into this front view. Let's take a line, or you can take a rectangle over here. So into that, I'll off this enabling viewport. So convert to editable spline. Slightly I'll just push it in this way. After that, so select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet over here, slightly, and let's give an extrude modifier. So convert to editable poly. So select these edges. Let's give one connect. So I'll slightly just scale it and I'll make it a bit straight. Select this, slightly push it over here. So select the polygons and again I'll extrude it till here, a bit a long distance. So select this edge and let's give a bit of chamfer. Click OK. So select the vertices, slightly just push it behind. Go again onto the top view. So we'll put the ceiling lights. Let's again take a cylinder over here. So slightly just push this down, increase its height. And reduce its height segments. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons, bevel it, so let's make a copy of it. So let's make a copy in this way. Again duplicate that. Alright. So you can make such copies in this way. So again save your file. I'll just save as it. So previously the file was crashed, was corrupted. So I'll just save as it. So now I'll go over here for the advertisement. Well, I'll just create advertising board over here in this only. So till here. So convert to editable poly. So select the polygons over here. Slightly I'll give a bit of inset to it. Again I'll duplicate it. Take a copy of it. Can make multiple copies, not a problem. And I'll go into this angle snap toggle. I'll make it as 90 degree. Duplicate it. Slightly. Just shuffle this over here. So I'll just go over here, I'll give a color over here. Save your file again. So we can make this chairs over here by using a line tool. So let's go over here, I'll off this auto grid. And let's go into this enabling viewport, reduce its length and width. Again convert to editable poly. So select this edges over here, give some segments. So go over here, give some segments, click OK. So I'll go over here and I'll give a FFD Box Modifier. So select the stuff, slightly push. So now what I can do over here is, like, I have assigned an FFD Box Modifier. I'll slightly shuffle this down a bit. So after that, convert to editable poly, and I'll add one swift loop over here and other over here. I'll go into the modifier and I'll give turbo smooth. So after assigning turbo smooth, you can see that it has become smooth a bit. So I can again convert to editable poly. If you want to resize it, you can definitely resize it and isolate. Now I'll slightly push it up and I'll make the legs over here. So let's go take a line over here and I'll create a line over here for the legs and I'll make it as radial. So I'll adjust a bit with the vertices, increase its thickness, slightly just push this up. Alright, so I'll make a copy of it over here, and if you want to make some more changes, you can definitely do it. I'll slightly push this a bit up, adjust the vertices over here slightly. Alright, so take again a line over here, again a line, okay, and I'll take one more copy of it. So I'll select this whole object over here and I can group this. I'll scale a bit over here and we can do the changes if required. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we have done the changes. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So we can slightly just push this a bit up, shuffle it a bit up over here. Alright, exclude this. Okay. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.